Okay, number 5, which shows this number in expanded notation. Number 6, what number represents point M? Okay, look at your number line and you need to make sure you are numbering it. Okay, number your whole numbers first. Make sure you're numbering just like Miss Anderson. Okay, you're going between whole numbers, so it's going to be tenths. So if this is 32 and 1/10, 32 and 2/10, and you're going to tell me what number represents point M. Number 7, which is true about the numbers that these students wrote? A, Lonnie is less than Larry is less than Lakeisha. B, Lakeisha is less than Luke Laura. Luke is less than Laura. C, Laura is greater than Lonnie and Lonnie is greater than Lakeisha. D, Lakeisha is greater than Luke and Luke is greater than Laura. Number 8, which number has an 8 with a value of 8 hundredths?